building.
And we were.
I wasn't ready. I texted Lauren, I was like, this is my redemption. Because on midday, I was drenched in like, no, I love the vlog.
Did you watch my birthday weekend vlog? You're in it.
I know.
Vlog.
Yeah. Is it on?
Yeah, guys.
Happy birthday!
Guys, this is my mom.
The mother. The mother. Oh, let's see man.
Stop, that's really funny. Okay, squeeze in, guys, squeeze in.
Yeah. What do I say?
I don't know. Are you excited? How was your day? Yeah.
Hey vlog, have a good day.
Birthday vlog.
Hey vlog, we're at Bid Day today. What should we say? This is Sophia. Hey. We're waiting for everyone else. Okay,
Yeah.
bye.
You just have to hold it. Beautiful.
I'm redoing our.
I feel like a vlogger. Oh, stop. Okay, go ahead, Lauren.
Lauren, what the hell are you doing?
I don't know. She goes, are you vlogging? I said, I can be. Hey, if you're watching this, come to the rack. I don't like the vlog.
Get her off the camera.
I don't even know if they're gonna. You should subscribe.
Everybody subscribe. Wait, me subscribe? Is it still going?
Yeah.
I'll subscribe.
Really?
What's that?
Right now?
My daughter.
Yeah, Emma's my babe.
Yeah. Happy birthday, mofos! Yay! Wait. This is Jordan, everyone. This is Emily.
Okay, guys, listen to this one. So, I have a dress on because our new mem's pledge tonight. Ellie's a pledge now. Woo! And I didn't think to put sweatpants on under it.
I did.
Yeah, Claire did. Claire was
I
smarter.
changed.
She did. And now my legs are like numb. How do you feel?
I feel good. I'm excited.
She feels like a sister. This is not real. Wait, can someone help me grab my stuff? Yeah, I think so.
There's a fire drill, but there's a line to get out of the building.
And we were watching the Kardashians.
Yeah.
There's literally a line all the way down to the 12th floor.
What is that? I feel like we'd like die. If there's actually an emergency.
If there was actually an emergency, we'd be like stuck. Like, it's clogged.
That's my coat just outside with my iron chair. I was sitting there. I was like, I'm gonna go That's great.
You're so funny. No, I'll tell you in a minute.
Still being nice.
Oh, it's really cool.
Oh. We get to use the store now because it's an emergency? Thanks. They're right in there. I bet it was in... Wait. It stopped. Did I bring my computer with me for nothing?
It's in the laundry room.
I'm not doing my laundry.
Me too.
We should go to Insomnia.
Ella, were you...
Ladder 19.
FOMO. Okay, Ella thinks we should go to Insomnia.
I agree. I It'll be warm. We can get ourselves a cookie.
So there's not even a fire. I bet it was a false alarm. I should have brought my gloves. She was prepared. Wait, they're all walking back.
Excuse me, sorry.
Sorry. Should we go back?
Yeah. Should we go to Insomnia first? It's probably so exciting for the firemen. They probably don't get that much time.
I feel like they probably do.
Oh, probably because it's a city.
Yeah. Everything. So cold.
Should I ask them if they know my dad?
At least that is a firefighter.
So I know it's 3 hours away, but maybe you guys have a connection.
You think they'd let me use their axe? Wait, what was the problem?
Margaret.
Now we gotta walk up the wall.
Can we just like not? You think?
We'll try it. I don't even know where the stairs are.
They're right next to the elevators. Those people didn't even leave. We should have been like them.
Kristen was cheating, and we're
We're gonna have to rewind.
gonna have to. Oh, it is working.
Oh, yes. Ella, hurry up and press our floor.
Guys, I couldn't figure out how to turn off the Kardashians, so it's still red. It's okay. Luckily I can rewind. Did you really think you were gonna sit outside and do your homework?
Yes, I thought we were gonna be down there for like 20 minutes and I was gonna have to do my homework, but no.
Watch it like goes off again.
If it goes off again, I'm not going back down there. I really am not. It's still playing, Ellie. Yeah. And the remotes are still there. I literally, guys, brought my computer with me because my Spanish homework, I haven't finished it yet. So, I was gonna do it out there. But, and we got so lucky that we got an elevator. Right, Ella?
I'm eating ice cream now. I'm glad I wasn't in the shower.
Yeah,
I
same.
have a shower.